Samsung is rewriting the rules with the Galaxy S25, fixing past mistakes and introducing game-changing features. Stay tuned for all the exciting details of the entire S25 lineup. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's jump in. 7-year support, but is it enough? Samsung is famous for offering 7 years of software support for their flagship phones, which is fantastic. However, if you're committing to that long of support, the hardware should match, right? Unfortunately, that hasn't always been the case. Take the base S24, for example. It still offers only 128 gigabytes of storage in 2024. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. 128 gigabytes is not enough for a flagship phone, especially if it's meant to last 7 years. With 4K videos, high-res photos, and ever-growing app sizes, 128 gigabytes fills up quickly. Performance boost. We already know that all Galaxy S25 models will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM as standard. The Ultra variant will even offer a 16 gigabytes option, but you'll need the higher storage model for that. What about the base S25? Do you need to upgrade the storage for 12 gigabytes RAM? No. Reports indicate that the base model will include 12 gigabytes RAM right out of the box. Combined with extra storage, the S25 will be more than capable of running complex AI features on device, both now and in the future. Mark your calendars. About the Unpacked event, we know it's set for January 22nd. But when can you actually get the phone? According to South Korean media, Samsung will start shipping the S25 lineup on February 7th, about 2 weeks after the event. Bye-bye 128 gigabytes. Samsung has finally listened. They've eliminated the 128 gigabytes option altogether. Now, the Galaxy S25 will start at 256 gigabytes, which is the minimum a flagship should offer in 2025. Here's why this is crucial. 128 gigabytes uses the older UFS 3.1 storage standard, which is slower compared to UFS 4.0 in the 256 gigabytes version. So, not only are you getting double the storage, but you're also getting faster performance, a win-win. Limited run experiment. Samsung is producing only 3 million units of the S25 Slim. Compared to other S25 models, that's a small number. Clearly, they're testing the market with this model. If it's well received, I'm sure they'll ramp up production in the future. To wrap it up, the Galaxy S25 lineup is shaping up to be a game changer, with exciting upgrades and features that are sure to impress. Finally, the lineup will debut a brand new One UI 7 feature that promises to elevate the user experience. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Click here for all the details, and I'll see you there.